Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and I'm so excited about going back to Tucson, Arizona, to the Madeline Island workshop. I'm going to be teaching abstract painting and collage, and I'm working on some pieces right now. Abstract painting, collages, these are gold, black, and some of the tissue papers I love to be making and gluing down and creating something every day. Can you imagine 5 days of painting on a dude ranch? I know, it's just fantastic. A dude ranch, Tanque Verde Dude Ranch. Lots of horses, lots of cowboys, real cowgirls too. They take care of us. It's comfortable, great rooms, great workshop. We're in this workshop all day long painting and all this wonderful Tucson, Arizona activity going on outside where they're painting, creating, and tearing paper and having way too much fun. They take care of us. Great meals too, by the way. I should let you know that. You'll come and relax. I call it a paintcation. Wherever I go to paint on a nice place like this in Tucson, Arizona, I call it a paintcation. So sign up today, right away. Sign up today and go to my website for Tucson, Arizona. I'll see you there. Get your brushes ready.